Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change card on Doordash. To get started, go ahead and open Doordash on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in into your Doordash account. As you can see in here, I'm already signed in into my account. Now once you're into your account, head over into your profile, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. From your account settings, go ahead and click on payment methods, and that will redirect you into the payment methods section. Then here, go ahead and add a new card, such as a credit card or debit card, PayPal account, or Afterpay account. You can also select a different card added as your saved payment method by clicking on that card. So if you want to add a new card, you can simply select credit or debit card from here. But if you just want to change the card payment method that you have available on your account, you can simply select that from your account. And that is how you can basically change your card on Doordash. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.